Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to use the Uber driver app on Apple CarPlay, then this video is for you. You have to do is you must need to connect your Apple CarPlay app on your iOS device that you have connect with your car kit. Now here how to use the driver app with the CarPlay. First, you have to connect your iPhone to your car's screen either wirelessly or through a cable. CarPlay should launch automatically when you start your car. If not, choose it from the main menu on your phone. Find it and select the driver app from either your car screen or your iPhone. If you can find the CarPlay or the Uber app, you can search it in your app store and you can find them. If it's available on your device, then from there you can navigate to that your application that start earning with ease. So that's how you can just integrate or use the Uber driver app in your Apple CarPlay. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.